A disc jockey was shot dead and a woman wounded at a bar in Royal Flat, Manchester on Sunday night. Police named the deceased as Davian Anderson, 31, otherwise called Dippo, a resident of Royal Flat. A police report said that about 7:54 p.m., Anderson was among patrons at a bar when they were attacked by unknown assailants who opened fire on Anderson and a 36-year-old woman. The injured people were taken to hospital where Anderson was pronounced dead and the woman admitted. The Portland police have charged 2 teenagers with the murder of 34-year-old Julian Minot, a farmer of Maho District, Bangor Bridge in the parish, on Friday, April 19. Charged are 18-year-old Ronaldo Miller, otherwise called Rami, a farmer of the same community, and a 14-year-old teenager. Reports from the Buff Bay police are that about 6:30 p.m., the man and the teens were at a shop when an argument developed. The dispute escalated and the youngsters allegedly used a knife to stab Minot several times. Minot was pronounced dead at the hospital. The teens were apprehended after they were implicated during the investigation. They are awaiting a court date to answer to the charge of murder. The Kingston Eastern Police have arrested and charged 43-year-old Donovan Griffiths, otherwise called Andrew, of Bayshore Park, Arborview, Kingston 17, with murder and conspiracy to murder following the shooting death of his relative on Monday, April 29. Dead is 58-year-old Dennis Griffiths of Bayshore Park, Arborview, Kingston 17. Reports are that about 7:50 a.m., Griffiths was at his stall when he was pounced upon by armed men in a motor car who shot him several times. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Griffiths was seen lying on the roadway with gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations led to the arrest of Donovan Griffiths, who was subsequently charged after question and answer session. His court date is being finalized.